Saki here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about one of my favorite seasons, which is spring. Spring is almost here, and although things haven't really changed in 2021, I am still really looking forward to spring and everything that it's bringing, including warm weather and of course spring fashion. So in today's video, I wanted to share a little unboxing of a new item that I just purchased for spring, which I'm so excited about. It's something so new to my collection that I've never even thought that I would ever own. So stay tuned for that because I'm so excited for it. But also I wanted to bring you guys a couple of other items that I think are spring essentials that I think will really elevate your spring wardrobe, but also become essential staples for every spring to come. If you love these types of videos and you love luxury and fashion, please subscribe to my channel. I upload videos twice a week and I also do monthly giveaways, so there's a lot of exciting things to see here. Before we get started, I did want to say that this video is brought to you by Farfetch. I am collaborating with them in today's video, so the item that I did purchase was kindly gifted to me through a voucher by Farfetch, and then also everything that I'm going to be showing you guys is available on Farfetch as well, or I have chosen similar items for you guys. So if you do want to buy anything from this video or that I mentioned, please check out the description box below for exclusive links. If you've never heard of Farfetch before, they are an online retail company that specializes in luxury. The thing that I love about Farfetch, and the reason why I love shopping from Farfetch even long before I started working with them, is because of their selection. They partner with so many boutiques literally all around the world, so they always have the most amazing selection. There have been so many times where I'm looking for an item and the only place that I found it is from Farfetch, because the only place that this item is left is in one specific boutique in Italy that happens to be on Farfetch as well. So they have just an amazing selection, and because there are so many boutiques from all over the world that partner with them, I always find what I'm looking for on Farfetch. They've also got a huge selection of different luxury brands, including all of the ones that I'm going to be showing you guys today. So yeah, please go check out Farfetch if you haven't already. They have also kindly given me a code to share with you guys for my subscribers. I will leave the code here on the screen and also put it down below for you as well. So please use this code while you're shopping at Farfetch to get an exclusive discount. All of the information and terms and conditions and everything will also be linked in the description box below. Alright, now that we've gotten all of that out of the way, let's get straight into my new item and unboxing. So the number one thing that I look forward to most when spring comes is actually getting to wear skirts and dresses. I actually do normally wear skirts and dresses during the fall and winter as well, but you have to wear leggings with them, and then sometimes you do get cold even if you are wearing leggings. So I guess I just look forward to being comfortable wearing skirts and dresses. I'm so excited about this new item that I've picked up because it's something that I've been wanting to buy for such a long time, but I've just never really made it a priority for me to get something like this. And of course, what I'm talking about is this beautiful pink Balmain skirt. Now, you might not know this, but I am a huge fan of Balmain. I think it's just one of those brands that is so iconic, especially when it comes to clothing. I mean, I love their blazers so much, and if they weren't so incredibly expensive, I would have so many of them. So I was thinking that I was gonna go for a blazer. However, like I said, they are really expensive. So I decided to buy this beautiful iconic pink Balmain skirt. It's got these beautiful gold buttons on it, and of course the color is just to die for. It's literally the most beautiful shade of peachy pink, which honestly I just love wearing during the spring and summer months. As you guys may know, my favorite shades of pinks are the pinks that have a little bit of an orange undertone or warmer undertone in them, and I just think that this skirt is perfect for it. What I also love about this skirt is that I feel like you can wear it really casually, but you could also wear it for really formal dressed up events too. Not that I really have any of those to go to, but I don't know, it's just really fun to think about. I know that this skirt is pretty expensive, especially for, what it is, but I think that it's totally worth it in my opinion. I mean, something like this is going to be iconic literally forever. You invest one time in it and you can literally wear it for years and years to come. So I know this is definitely going to be a staple in my spring wardrobe, and I'm so happy that I bought this. Alright, the next thing that I think is definitely a spring staple is going to be blazers. Now, I don't know how the weather is for spring for you guys out there, but definitely for us here in Colorado, spring is really iffy. Like, we'll have some days that are like blazing hot, but then some days that are also like super, super cold too. So what I like to do to combat that is wear a blazer. I think that blazers, well, pretty much look good like any time of the year, but I especially love them during spring because I love wearing them with dresses. So I recently invested in a couple of more expensive blazers, and one of them being my Veronica Beard blazer. I actually invested in this whole suit and I do not regret it at all. I freaking love this suit so much, but of course the blazer is one of the items that like really makes it stand out. Now, I don't think that they're selling this specific pink blazer from Veronica Beard anymore because I did buy it a couple of seasons ago, but I will link a similar one down below for you guys from Farfetch. I absolutely love pairing this with not only like the suit pants that I bought with it, but my favorite way to wear it is with like a beautiful spring dress. I just think that that look with like the blazer and like a flowy dress or something is just so, so cute for spring. And you know, you get that spring vibe with like the dress that you're wearing, but then also if it is still a little bit cold, putting a blazer on top just elevates your outfit while also keeping you warm. And although they can get a little bit expensive, I think that these are great to invest in. Blazers will never go out of style and you'll always find a way to wear them. So if you invest money in them now, you're going to be able to use them for so many years to come, for so many different occasions to come, and I just think it's so worth it. I kind of already mentioned this, but my next spring staple is gonna have to be dresses. I actually picked up this really beautiful self-portrait dress recently, and this is the first time that I've ever shopped from self-portrait. I got it from Farfetch as well. Unfortunately, they are sold out, but I will leave a couple of links to self-portrait dresses that are still available on Farfetch right now. I've never really like understood people's obsession with self-portrait, but then I saw this dress and I just had to jump the gun, and now I'm absolutely like in love with this brand and I want so many more dresses from them. It's just like their quality is really good, but their designs are like super unique too. I just feel like there's something like really awesome about the way that they combined like femininity while also being like really classic and also modern at the same time. I don't know how to describe it. Now that I've like experienced the quality firsthand, I am definitely on board with this brand and I definitely do want more from them. Another dress that is like my go-to for spring is actually this lace dress that I have from After the Label, and the reason why I'm mentioning this dress is because it really reminds me of like the self-portrait dress style. And I bought this dress like I think 2 years ago, and I have it both in pink and white because I just love this style of dress so much, and it's literally become a spring staple for me. They're just so easy to throw on, and it's just like a one piece where you don't have to think about it. You walk out the door and you look fabulous. So that is the kind of thing that I love, and I think that's the thing that I love most about dresses actually. Things like these two dresses that I'm mentioning and everything else that I'm mentioning in this video are just pieces that are like more classic and also really functional, so you will be getting use out of them every single year. Alright, let's move on to accessories. And the first accessory that I'm going to be talking about are shoes. So I used to always say that I'm not really a shoe person, but after our recent move, I've realized that I am a shoe person. I packed 9 boxes of shoes, guys. That's just insane. But the shoes in particular that I love to wear in the spring are my wedges. So I have these wedges from YSL. They are called the YSL Tribute wedges. Now the reason why I love these so much is because they go literally with everything. They go with shorts, they go with jeans, they go with skirts and dresses. Like, you can literally wear them in any occasion, and they are also so comfortable. I actually wore these on a trip, I think 2 years ago when I was in Vegas, and I wore them all day, every day. And in Vegas, you have to walk a lot, and honestly, I had no problems at all, especially for how tall these are. And yeah, I've just never regretted making this investment. I honestly wear them every spring and summer since I've gotten them 2 years ago, and I highly recommend these to you guys if you are looking for a staple spring shoe. Alright, and last on our list is going to be handbags, my favorite. Alright, so my favorite kinds of handbags to wear during the spring are actually crossbody bags. You guys know that I love my larger bags, but when it comes to spring and summer, I'm just ready to shed the large bag and go with something a little bit more petite and carefree. So I have 2 different kinds of bags to recommend to you guys. The first one is going to be my Prada bag. Now, unfortunately, this bag in particular was a limited edition, so they do not sell this anymore, but they do still sell really similar bags, so I will link one down below for you guys. It isn't in this cute heart shape, but the functionality is pretty much the same. These like Prada crossbody bags I think are really great because, one, they're very, very durable. A lot of Prada bags are made from their Saffiano leather, which is just this like grained leather. which means that it's very durable. It's pretty much all scratch proof. I mean, I've worn this one to Disneyland and I had no problem with it. The other thing that I love about Prada bags is that they are very functional as well. I mean, obviously not every Prada bag, but definitely like their crossbodies that are around this size. This one looks kind of small, but it can actually hold surprisingly a lot of stuff, especially compared to some of my other small bags out there. The other bag that I wanted to recommend to you guys is my new Alexander McQueen bag. I actually did also purchase mine from Farfetch, and the reason why I think that these kinds of bags, and this bag in particular, makes a great spring bag is because it's like a wallet on chain style bag. So as you guys may know if you watch my channel, wallet on chain style bags are literally my favorite. I just can't get enough of them. The reason why I think that they're really functional is because I usually like carry a larger tote bag to work, and then I also carry like a smaller wallet on chain with just my essentials in it, and then I chuck this into my larger tote bag, and then like if I ever have to run errands or pop out to the grocery store or something, I can just grab my smaller wallet on chain bag out of my tote bag. And what's also really awesome about these types of small bags as well is that they can also double as occasion bags or evening bags, as spring is a super popular time for events such as weddings. Having a smaller crossbody bag that can also double as an event bag is really awesome. So yeah, with the multifunctionality of wallet on chains and just the way that they look and how easy they are to use as well, I just think that these kinds of bags make great bags for spring. Alright, so that was all for my video. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. What are your spring staples as well? Thank you again so much to Farfetch for sponsoring this video. Please don't forget to check out the links in the description box below, and also use my code at checkout for a discount. And lastly, before I go, I just wanted to mention February's giveaway. This month I'm giving away this cute bucket bag from With Love Shop. With Love Shop is a retail store that sells so many cute and girly things. If you've never heard of them before, I will leave a link to their shop down below. It's super easy to enter. All you have to do to enter is leave this emoji in the comment section down below. Make sure you also leave your Instagram username if it is different from your YouTube username so that I can find you if you win. You also do have to be subscribed to me here on YouTube and following me and With Love Shop on Instagram in order to enter. You can enter in as many videos as you like in the month of February for only the videos that I upload in February. You can leave one comment per video and each will be counted as a separate entry. I'll be picking a winner at the end of the month, and this is just my little way of saying thank you guys so much for following me and subscribing to my channel and really supporting me. And yeah, with that, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you had a great Valentine's Day and your February is going awesome as well. And until next time, I hope that you're staying safe and healthy out there. And yeah, I'll just see you next time. Bye.
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game.